Hi, this is a quick 3-minute video on this.
Hi, this particular question comes from the AS level Edexcel 2022 paper, and it's question number 1. We're being asked to integrate this particular term. Okay, so I'm going to just rewrite this to make it just a little bit easier. So I've got 8x cubed, that's absolutely fine. But rather than 3 over 2 root x, I'm going to write that as 3 over 2 multiplied by x to the power of negative a half. And that just means that when I come to the actual integration itself, it's going to make it a little bit more straightforward. So what we do is we add 1 to the index and divide by the new index. So if I add 1 to the index, I'm going to get 8x to the 4 divided by 4, and I can simplify that in a minute. The second term, however, is just a little bit trickier, because if I add 1 to the index, I'm basically going to get 3 over 2x to the power of a half, and that's actually going to be divided by a half. So it looks a little bit untidy at the moment, but we'll sort it out. You've got to also imagine that 5 is exactly the same as saying 5x to the 0, so I'm going to add 1, which becomes then 5x. And also with all integration we have a constant term as well. If you're not sure about that, let me know in the comments and I'll be able to give you some videos to have a look at. Okay, so let's just tidy that up a little bit. It's notably the first and the second terms. So with the first term, that's fairly straightforward. I can just divide through by 4, and that's going to give me 2x to the power of 4. So that's fairly straightforward. The second one, however, I've got basically 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which is exactly the same as saying 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 1. Well, that's fairly straightforward. I can cancel those 2's out and I get 3 over 1. So I've got minus 3x to the power of a half. Okay, and then finally I've got 5x plus c, and that would be the answer to this particular question.
Okay, so I hope the video was useful. Please do add a comment below if you're not sure about anything. I'll always come back to you. Subscribe to the channel. I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.